Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcake paper at home. Start by gathering your essential materials. You will need a roll of parchment paper, sharp scissors, a pencil, and a standard 12-cup muffin tin. Find a round object, like a drinking glass, slightly larger than your muffin cups. These simple items are all you need to begin crafting your own custom cupcake liners right in your kitchen. Now, let's prepare the parchment paper. Place your round object, like a glass with a 3-inch diameter, onto the parchment paper. Use your pencil to trace around it, creating a perfect circle. Repeat this process until you have enough circles for your batch of cupcakes. Each circle should be approximately 5 to 6 inches across. Carefully cut out each trace circle, ensuring smooth edges for a neat finish. With your circles cut, it's time to shape them into liners. Take one parchment circle and gently press it into a cup of your muffin tin. To help form the perfect shape, use a smaller glass or a spice jar, about 2 inches in diameter, pressing it down into the center. This helps the paper conform to the cup's contours. Smooth out any wrinkles, ensuring the paper fits snugly against the sides and bottom. Your homemade cupcake liners are now complete and ready for action. Simply pour your prepared cupcake batter into each parchment-lined cup, filling them about 2/3 of the way full. These custom liners will prevent your delicious cupcakes from sticking to the pan, ensuring they release easily and beautifully every time. Enjoy the satisfaction of baking with your own handcrafted, non-stick cupcake papers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.